Vacant. This is shown by the green LED glowing. For the front end part of our project, we have a basic web application setup which lists all the seats in the bus and it shows its status, whether they are booked, they are vacant, or they are damaged. So also for the second part, this is all on a remote server. Anyone with connected to the same network or the internet can view this web page. On the bolt our code, basically it senses the force sensors. The code uploaded on the bolt basically senses all the receives data from the pressure sensors and the button which indicates whether the seat is damaged or not. For the third part of our project, we have we basically use IFTTT to push data to a Google Drive spreadsheet on the statistics or analytics of the seats, basically which seats are preferred more by the bus travelers, which routes are traveled more. Using this data we can basically, this is useful for the advertising companies. They can know where exactly to put their hoardings inside the bus and on which route and on which side of the road, using this data. Moving on to the running part of the code, this seat is basically a model of a single seat, which is seat number 42. So I'll book this seat by just selecting my seat and I'll enter my details. As you can see, I've entered my name, my social account details if I want to, and my starting point and my destination. So when I click on book, it gives me a notification that my seat has been booked. Now you'll see when I refresh the page, it shows that the seat has been booked by me. Also you can see at the same time that the booked LED, the red LED on the seat lighted up. Once we have booked the seat, my friend Kunal will assist me. He will sit on the seat which has been booked for him. Now you can see as he just sat, the LED just became a little bit dimmer, signifying that the seat has now been occupied. As I refresh the page, you can see that the seat number 42 status changed to it was booked and now it has been occupied. Also you can see that a new record has been pushed to our database at 8:37 am, that is the current time, with the coordinates of the seat. And also one more thing, we have mentioned that this start and destination can be used, which seats are being used by the users can be used by the advertising agencies. Also the days of the week on which the people like to travel more, that data can also be retrieved using our setup. Thank you.